In this lesson, we are going to read through the Maintaining Equipment and Facilities topic in the Template Food Control Plan. This is one of the purple-colored cards in the closing section of the plan and is page number 106. What do you need to know? If your premises and equipment are not designed for food use, are not in good condition, and/or do not work properly, you may make unsafe and/or unsuitable food. Broken equipment and an unkempt building, such as holes in floors and walls, can allow pests and bugs in your food. This can lead to unsafe and unsuitable food. The water you use for food preparation, hand washing and cleaning must always be clean. You need to regularly check and maintain water pipes, tanks and water treatment systems. Why is maintaining your equipment and facilities important? Regularly maintaining facilities and equipment is important to prevent something going wrong. A common way that bugs or other harmful things, for example, chemicals, bits of glass or metal etc., getting into food, is from things breaking down or getting damaged. Bugs especially like to hide and grow in cracks, crevices or holes, and if they find a hiding space where food is stored, prepared, or handled, they often get into food and make it unsafe. Equipment, such as chillers and freezers, might become inefficient or break down, allowing temperatures to rise and allowing bugs to grow in food stored there. Sometimes it is the things you cannot see, such as water pipes, or do not see all the time, for example the inside of some equipment, that break down or become dirty and/or contaminated, resulting in unsafe or unsuitable food. It is important to remember to sometimes check the things not in plain view. Measuring equipment, such as thermometers, can become less accurate over time. You need to know that your equipment is taking accurate temperature readings so you know that bugs are not able to grow in your food. What do you need to do? Check your premises for signs of deterioration, for example, holes in floors and walls, and fix as necessary. Check any new or existing equipment for signs of deterioration and fix as required. Service your equipment regularly and if necessary calibrate according to your calibration schedule, for example, thermometer, pH meter etc. Maintenance compounds and chemicals must be fully labeled, stored, sealed and used following the manufacturer's instructions. Be stored and transported in containers that are clearly different from food containers. For all water supplies, water pipes must work properly to stop animals, birds, dirt and waste from contaminating your water. Always flush water pipes after repairs and maintenance, after 7 days without use to remove stagnant water. Keep water tanks clean and in good condition to stop the buildup of sediment, and covered to stop animals, birds and dirt from contaminating water. For surface or groundwater supply only, you must install, operate and maintain the water treatment system following the manufacturer's instructions. You must follow the manufacturer's instructions for replacing and cleaning filters. Bores must be designed and maintained so they are protected from surface contamination. For roof water supply only, water must only be collected from clean roofs and gutters made from safe materials, such as no lead-based paints, bitumen, exposed timber, or copper gutters. You must reduce the risk of contamination as much as possible. This includes putting screening gutters up, and removing overhanging branches and vegetation, and mounting aerials and satellite dishes away from water collection areas, and installing a first flush device. This is a device which diverts the first flush of water when it rains. You must install, operate and maintain the water treatment system, such as replacing filters, following the manufacturer's instructions. What do you need to show? Show your verifier what you and your staff do to check your premises and equipment are designed for food use and are in good working order. Show how often you do maintenance checks, what you and your staff check for during maintenance checks. Show a record of your regular maintenance tasks or repairs, who does them and when. Show how often you've inspected and maintained your water system and tanks. Also record who did it and when. Your verifier will check that you and your staff are calibrating your equipment as required. For self-supplied water only, surface, ground or roof supply. Show how often you've inspected and maintained your water treatment system, such as changed filters.